Hi everyone, I am Fabrice Martin, Chief Product Officer at Clarabridge. Thank you for tuning in today for the summer product release. After a disruptive year, the world is finally reopening. And in addition to the traditional business imperatives of increasing revenue, reducing cost, and managing risk, business leaders like you now have a mandate to rebuild a feeling of trust, safety, and inclusion with both employees and customers. This means that for the foreseeable future, measuring and understanding employee and customer emotions, empathy, effort, and brand sentiment will be just as important as tracking other business KPIs. Throughout our history, Clarabridge has partnered with global brands like yours, bringing together technology and industry expertise to fundamentally transform customer experience. We harness the latest advancements in natural language understanding, AI, and machine learning to help companies process and analyze billions of customer interactions as they happen all around the world. And our focus on language, written or spoken, gives Clarabridge the unique ability to provide business leaders with a deep understanding of customers and employees, not as numbers, but as humans, with emotions, desires, and ideas. This summer, we are doubling down on our mission to help organizations take a data-driven and human-centric approach to everything they do. In this video, we'll cover several exciting new product features, including Clara, an awesome new way to get quick insights from Clarabridge. Also, accessibility improvements to ensure an inclusive, optimal user experience for everyone. And finally, intelligence scoring enhancements and NLU enrichments to drive conversation intelligence. But before we jump in, here's a quick overview of our platform for those of you who are new to Clarabridge.
Hi, I'm Ellen, Senior Director of Product Management. Clarabridge provides the most comprehensive customer experience and digital engagement platform. Our products integrate all customer and employee conversations and feedback into a centralized hub. Then, we analyze at scale to provide insights about customer experience and operations. Reports, engagement, and collaboration tools help you improve and measure impact over time. The first step is to aggregate all data. The applications that businesses use to gather and store customer experience data are highly fragmented. The data lives in phone records, messaging apps, surveys, and many other systems. From day one, Clarabridge was designed to be an integrated customer experience data hub, aggregating all conversation and feedback sources and mapping together to a unified data model for common enrichment and analysis. This single source of the truth ensures analysis integrity so that stakeholders can trust the results and act with confidence. Clarabridge provides over 100 connectors to just about everything under the sun. In a recent Forrester Wave report, Clarabridge received the highest score of all evaluated vendors for its omni-channel integration capabilities. At the heart of everything we do lies Clarabridge's exceptional natural language understanding engine, tuned for over a decade to understand customers, employees, and their business experience conversations. Clarabridge's engine goes beyond sentiment and topic modeling, providing a ton of enrichments to determine attributes such as effort, emotion, empathy, reason detection, and so much more. Drill directly from aggregate insights into specific conversations. A combination of rules-based and machine learning algorithms provide users with nuanced insights, unmatched by any other speech or text analytics solution on the market. Business insights without correlation to outcomes or actions are not particularly useful. That's why we provide Clarabridge Studio, our business intelligence environment, which provides a vast array of features built on top of our NLU engine. With Studio, you can explore data, drill into root cause, calculate impact, and understand what really drives performance. Our clients use Studio to answer questions like, what impacts ease of doing business? What drives customer loyalty? How do changes in customer experience or service delivery impact revenue or churn? Or even, which improvements should I prioritize for the best outcome? Share your insights with others through visually appealing dashboards. Use the Clarabridge inbox to drive accountability and action across your workforce. Now, one of the most critical trends driving customer experience and disrupting businesses currently is digital transformation. This trend has significantly accelerated in the past 12 months and has made digital customer service and AI-driven process automation technologies more important than ever before. Clarabridge Engage is a world-class digital customer service platform. Hundreds of the world's top brands rely on it day in and day out to provide superior customer service through digital channels as varied as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. At Clarabridge, our goal is to amplify the voice of your customers and employees, reporting timely answers you need to make decisions, act fast on those insights, and track results. To learn more, explore our website for the latest updates and to see what's new.
I am thrilled to announce the Clarabridge Summer 2021 release. We've got some exciting new functionality to share with you, so let's check in with the team.
Hi, I'm Lauren, Senior Product Manager for Clarabridge Studio, our data exploration and dashboarding environment. Introducing Clara, a whole new way to get answers and obtain quick insights from Clarabridge. We have completely redesigned our search capabilities from the ground up to accelerate your productivity and get answers fast. Ask Clara about important events, trends, and themes, and watch as Clara immediately suggests a snapshot of potential answers by displaying different sets of widgets and quick insights. Clara Insights serve as springboards for new widgets and dashboards to continue exploration and investigation as needed. And we're only getting started. In future releases, Clara will continue to evolve and become smarter, more powerful, and more efficient at finding the right answers to all of your customer experience questions. Next up, accessibility, a topic that's not only important and impactful, but also very near to my heart as we continue to make Studio a more usable and accessible experience for everyone. We've made it easier to sign in and navigate through the application, and also enhanced our responsiveness and reflow capabilities, making the user interface scale and change without loss of context. We're working to make every step of your experience as flexible, robust, and understandable as possible, even down to your data points. We've added a new option for viewers to enable pattern fills for all data visualizations. This helps to make our content more consumable and distinguishable for users with the widest range of capabilities. The summer release also brings some exciting enhancements that will completely transform the homepage experience for all of your users in Studio. We've launched custom persona-based homepages with curated widgets and navigation. That means the data, insights, and actions that matter most are within reach and more accessible than ever before. Set up unique, personalized homepages for all of the standard stakeholder roles, including CX analysts, product and brand managers, contact center teams, agents, and supervisors. No more clicking around. Get to relevant insights fast. All the information you need to deliver outstanding customer experiences will be right where you need it.
Contact centers continue to be a key driver of customer experience. According to Forrester Research, they are a target-rich environment for driving improvements that enhance customer experience, increase revenue, and reduce costs. They are also a great place to hone in on the human experience and evaluate the interactions your agents have with customers every day. The ability to explore contact center conversations for insights and actionability has become a mission-critical capability, and our team has been very focused on enabling you to do just that through a combination of powerful analytics, natural language understanding enrichments, and dedicated user interfaces. We call this conversation intelligence.
Hi, I'm Keegan, Principal Product Manager. A key component of conversation intelligence is intelligence scoring, a patent-pending engine that taps into the power of Clarabridge's NLU to automatically score every type of customer interaction in a way that is objective, transparent, and consistent, and unique to your business needs. Its adoption within the Clarabridge customer base has been outstanding, growing more than 5 times since our last release. Using intelligence scoring, our customers have already scored more than 150 million interactions, looking for empathy, emotional intelligence, and other desired behaviors that make for better and more human customer and employee experiences. In fact, several of our customers have been scoring their calls on dozens of dimensions that were previously unavailable to them. We have added some important enhancements to intelligence scoring that make it easier than ever for agents, supervisors, quality teams, and analysts to collaborate, self-coach, and mentor using this powerful feature. Users can now visualize, filter, and interact with the scoring criteria directly from the Clarabridge user interface. We have also added more tools to help contact center quality teams calibrate their scoring guidelines intelligently using a data-driven approach. These features will help make our recently released quality management solution even more powerful and easier to deploy. We have also made significant improvements to our reason detection capabilities. Reason detection uses machine learning techniques to identify reasons for contact or other actions that are expressed in a conversation, such as I'm calling to upgrade my account or I'm putting you on hold while I verify your account information. Analyzing reasons enables managers and leaders to put in place effective call deflection and other optimization strategies that often lead to significant operational savings in the contact center. We have added 3 new types of reason detection: cancellation, transfer, and hold. Reason for cancellation is incredibly useful to quickly assess why customers are canceling services, product orders, subscriptions, or memberships. Reason for hold or transfer will help contact centers quickly identify when and why holds and transfers are being initiated in conversations in order to make changes and process improvements.
Data integrations continue to play a critical role in customer experience programs. And that's because connecting customer feedback and interaction data from across the enterprise is the only way to enable a multidimensional, holistic view of the customer. Our team remains committed to providing you with easy and seamless access to the right data at the right time. And the summer release has some great features on that front.
Hi, I'm Andrew, Senior Product Manager. I'm in charge of data in, data out, a critical component of any customer experience program. We have added 3 new connectors, Zendesk, Five9, and AWS S3, that will enable you to pull in chats, calls, and other contact center data for seamless analysis of customer interactions. World-class analytics can't happen without the proper security. Critical privacy and data protection tools are now in place for all connector interfaces. We have added support for data masking and substitution. Now you can easily hide sensitive data or automatically replace certain words and phrases in all customer feedback and interactions. Acting on the insights Clarabridge provides means integrating with other operational systems in the enterprise. Clarabridge's new outbound connectors, starting with Qualtrics, SFTP, and AWS S3, are designed exactly for that purpose. This makes it easy for anyone to trigger alerts, workflows, and automation procedures in your existing systems. And this is just the start. We'll be adding more outbound connectors in the future.
One of the critical trends driving customer experience and disrupting businesses is digital transformation. This is a trend that has significantly accelerated in the past 12 months and has made digital customer service and AI-driven process automation technologies more important than ever. Clarabridge Engage is a world-class digital customer service platform, and hundreds of the world's top brands rely on it day in and day out to provide superior customer service through digital channels as varied as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Let's go to the Engage team in Ghent, Belgium to see what they have in store for the summer release.
Hi, I'm Dimitri, Director of Product Management. For Clarabridge Engage, the summer release brings several important enhancements around automation recipes, flowbots, and review monitoring and response. Automation recipes allow Clarabridge Engage to automatically trigger actions when new messages come in based on the characteristics of that message. Examples of actions include sending notifications, assigning the message to a specific agent, or even marking the message as resolved. Users can now trigger automations based on the characteristics of the contact that initiated the message. And this will enable, for example, special treatment or prioritization for customers tagged as VIP. Clarabridge Engage Flowbots are a powerful way to automate digital customer service conversations to answer frequently asked questions or guide customers through an information gathering process. Through a simple and elegant user interface, Engage users can curate if this, then that type conversation sequences that will be handled by the Flowbot and eventually handed off to a human agent or to other chatbots. Flowbots are supported for Twitter, Messenger, Instagram, live chat, and for the summer release, we have added WhatsApp. This will enable our customers to better support the more than 2 billion active users in that platform. Finally, for the summer release, we continue to enhance our support for review monitoring and response. we've made it easier than ever to track and respond to products, location, and mobile app reviews, all from the Engage inbox. This enables our customers to provide awesome customer service in a uniform manner across all of their digital customer care channels. Whether those are social media networks, messaging platforms, review sites, chat or email, Engage can handle them all.
We've covered a lot, so let's review the highlights. Lauren introduced Clara, an awesome new way to get immediate insights from Clarabridge. Then she covered all the different accessibility improvements that we have made to Studio, as well as the new persona-based home pages with curated widgets. Keegan talked about some important developments in our conversation intelligence capabilities. Those include several enhancements to intelligence scoring and 3 new types of reason detection. Andrew walked through our new connectors, now with data masking and substitution. He also introduced a whole new set of outbound connectors that will enable you to quickly and easily integrate Clarabridge to external operational systems. And finally, Dimi talked about the different automation enhancements we introduced in Clarabridge Engage. He also covered our expanded support for review monitoring and response, enabling our customers to bring all their digital customer care channels under one roof. And these are just the highlights. There are many more features in the summer release that we didn't get to cover here, and I hope you are just as excited as I am about all of them. In closing, I want to thank you, our customers, for your feedback and ideas. We take them incredibly seriously, and hopefully you saw many of them come to fruition on this release. I also want to thank the Clarabridge engineering and product teams who have worked incredibly hard over the past few months to bring you all this cool new functionality. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in fall.